honest. They've got a cool monarch butterfly display. Pretty cool. But what I really think is cool, I should say, is a bird blind. How cool is this? Looks like we got a couple cardinals. A whole bunch of, wren and sparrow there too, but that's pretty beautiful.
I would like that.
Right?
There's nothing called backyard on your calendar.
Oh, that was weird. This is very nice. The bird blind was a very nice surprise. This area is beautiful. Spring is almost upon us. Early March. I think I will definitely come back here in a week or three. Bird boxes, lots of places for birds and butterflies. And again, the bird blind that I was just at is right there. It's pretty cool. That's the parking lot. There's a bunch of trails. I took what looked like the main trail towards what looks like a house, and it's a bird blind. The bird blind is locked, but they have a fence where you can look through it, and it was pretty cool. I mean, that's what you saw in the video. If you're listening to this, you already saw that. You can hear lots of birds, see lots of birds flying from spot to spot. Again, at Acton Nature Center in Granbury, Texas. Definitely be a place to check out. Early March right now, so I'll be back every couple of weeks likely and spend a half hour or more here when I can. Definitely worth the trip. A little bit west, I guess it's southwest of Fort Worth. There was a storm yesterday, I had the storm coming in, and it's, what is it, I don't know, between 2 and 3 o'clock, so not the best time to bird, but all right, I'm hungry, so that's it for me. Wrens, whole bunch of wrens. Cardinals, lots of cardinals. A bunch of eastern bluebird. I would say those are the things that I saw and heard. Mostly heard, but saw the most of today. Again, Acton Nature Center, Granbury, Texas. Definitely worth coming and checking it out. All right, Acton Nature Center. There's today's checklist from the center. Check it out and check out the center if you get a chance.